this shows you like the extent of, you know, a 1-year-old roof. I mean, it was profusely leaking.
That wasn't, I mean, obviously that's on plywood, stuff like that, but is that, did they go over top of that?
I'm not exactly sure.
That can't be, that's not 1-year-old damage, that thing, that's been like that for a while.
That's what you would think. In the spec, they were supposed to replace all the bad wood. I don't know. I mean, we did find a bad leak here, but this doesn't look like 1-year-old damage to me, but I don't know.
Was it a slate roof before they did this thing?
Yes.
And how old was the building?
19... What's that?
30s?
Late 30s, I think.
That's
In the back of the roadhouse, they got someone who loves. In the back of the roadhouse, they got someone who loves. That's where the people like to go down slow. Let it roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll. All night long.
Say, well, maybe a fiberglass steeple will be more long-lasting. So, through some persistent phone calls on our part and a lot of patience, we helped them think through all those ideas. The first thing we did was not make it wrong for any of their ideas. And this is the key thing in handling your client, is really trying to help them understand what they have, how significant it is to the church as far as the aesthetics. And that the one thing we always push onto our clients, especially church members, boards, trustees, you think about the money and the time and effort that went into building this church originally. You know, I'm talking 1880, 1890s. They didn't skimp. You know, the original people that were the board, the church members of this church, they didn't skimp on the materials. They did it right. They used all the beautiful material. This has Tiffany stained glass in it.
Where are we now?
We're at the 1869 slate mill.
What's left of it, huh?
Yeah. And it's very long. I'm so surprised to see how long it is. Cool the way they made it.
Maybe some big pieces of slate in here.
There is indeed.
Two slate quarries in one day. No, it's been awesome. It was good. It was a busy day. It was good.
Busy day. He's ready to go to bed. This guy's ready to go to bed. What about you?
Camera on me.
Good.
Camera on me.
Good. Very productive day.
Very productive.
What an experience it was today, let me tell you that. What an experience. Amazing. Unbelievable.
Any high points or low points?
No low points yet. I'll tell you tonight.
And you look like you have something to say.
No, I don't have anything to say.
Okay.
Fabulous. Wonderful time.
You hate it? You hate it?
Love it.
Okay. You?
Well done. It was...
Okay. Give the man a toothpick.
Couldn't ask to be with a better group of people.
Okay, he brought his wife too, so that's...
And she's hot.
Yeah.
We're having a great time.
Having a great time.
He was wondering if we could have a dessert cart again.
It was wonderful.
There's your dessert and there's his right there. Any comments on the conference so far?
I love it so far. It's great.
Yeah, what do you like about it?
Well, I like the quarries. I've never been in one before.
The what? The quarries.
The quarries. Yeah, they're beautiful.
This is our hostess.
Thank
Our hostess Mahela.
you. Yeah.
Very good food. Delicious.
Yeah. Wonderful organization and everything. She's great.
Food, drinks.
Yeah.
There's Jimmy.
Jimmy brought all the food tonight.
This man did a wonderful job with the food. I mean, outstanding. I was telling these guys, I thought we had a great conference today. We toured 2 quarries. Sean Camara and Greenstone did an excellent job. Yeah, he knows him. Did a great job showing us around. I learned several things that give me a lot more respect for the quarriers art, and I feel really bad now about giving Sean shit about his lead times. It wasn't even out of the ground, and I'm pestering him like, how come you can't have this here in 2 weeks?
Right. Any feedback in the conference?
Well, you know, this has been probably one of the better ones, seeing that we're in the Slate Valley Museum area and actually getting to see what Slate's all about, you know, not sitting back, relaxing, and doing work this year. We're actually
That's right.
partaking in where it is created.
This is the way it should be, huh?
Yeah. Joe, I mean, I don't know what everything in my... Yeah, we're just sitting here having a beer, talking about Slate. How much better can it get,
That's
right?
right, exactly. I agree. John, do you have any opinion about the conference so far?
I'm having a great time. It's been a well worth it. Thank you.
Okay. Good.
Whoppa!
Robert, got any opinions of the conference? Any recommendations or suggestions? So, what do you have to say about the conference so far?
I think it's been wonderful. It's fantastic, man. I feel like I'm grafted into the history of the slate industry.
I could see his house from on top of the did that. Then the guy across the road, he got his barn. Right above these
Save our city!
it's gonna fall over.
Save our city!
Back up and
Right now.
on and off since April. I've been on it all summer. I've done like 8 or 10 jobs. But it can't
Well, I woke up this morning and I got...
every day. I go out for lunch.
There you go.
It's nice.
Well, I woke up this morning and I...
Almost a little bit better. Take it all off, put another one on.
There you go.